Radio folks, welcome back to the Now Albums Part 2. Here's the album for the next one. It's now 40 Years Part 2. This is the second volume in these two volume set. I've got the four volume one coming up, I can tell you that now. So here's 1, 2, 3, 2, 3. Before I unbox this, I'm going to read the track list to you. There is something I should know, Duran Duran. E7, Heaven 17, Temptation, Analytics, Dave Stewart with the song Remix with Here Comes the Rain Again, Hold Me Down, the Thompson Twins, How James Was Love, the Small Town Boy, Boston Beat, She Drives Frankie Goes to Hollywood, Culture Club, The Warsaw, Every Time You Go Away, Paul Young, and the Return of Tiger, does I say it? You before the Christian Himes, I Got You Babe, Hold Back the Years, Simple Wed, Level 42, Lesson Love, You Keep Me Hanging On, King Wild, Love is the First Degree, Banana, Hazel Dean, with Who's Leaving Who, In the City Big Fun, Pony and Cannibals Driving Crazy, and Benefit Charles, Simple Mind. That City 1, City 2 starts with Harry, Jerry, Neville, Jerry, I think I say it with Possible Silence. So, the best, Tina Turner, Live Alone, Bonita Colour, Happen All Over Again, Hip House Radio Mix, Nuna Gordon, Sissy, Music Factory, Gonna Make You Sweat, Everybody Dance Now, Still Crazy, Oka Anna, Get Here, Joyride by Roxette, Wet Wet Wet, Good Night Girl, The Cure, Fun and I'm in Love, Are You Gonna Go My Way, In the Code, Formula One, What's Up, All That You Want, Ace of Base, Gabriella Dreams, Don't Be a Stranger, Dinah Call, Pet Shop Boys Go West, M People, One Night in Heaven, Butter, Riddle All Come Back, I can't say that one, I do apologise. Where Do I Get to Sing My Way? Sparks, The Z3's Love for a Reason. And then we've got Love for a Reason, Boyzone. The Bull Rats with Wake Up Boo, All Races, One Slippery Neck, Underground, Ooh Just a Little Bit, Wow Just a Little Bit by Gina G. Play Every Day, Spice Girls, Fabulous Immunisa, Paranoid Android by Radiohead, One MC, Jason Newman with Just Like That Impressed Me by Tonight Train, Texas Summer Sun, X Club 7 with Reach, Coming Up Spinning Around, All Saints Shore, Rocky Day, Robert Williams, Bon Jovi, It's My Life, Westlife, Uptown Girl, Busted, What I Go to School For, One Round by Sugar Babes and Blue, One Love. Then Are You Ready For Love by Elton John, CD4. Toxic Britney Spears of Shangri-La's with Lola Stream. Shape Shifters, Lola Stream. Number 1, McFly, All About You. I Project the Riot, Crash the Chiefs. Because of you, Kelly Clarkson, anyone else we have, Take That Pardoshi. Wick Quack Avenue by Duffy. Girls Aloud Department, Soda Cold Katy Perry, JLS, we read again. Pass Out, Tiny Timber, Your Song of the Gullion. Lady Gaga, Born in Sway, Mila Jacka, Christina Aguilera, Maroon 5. Ollie Murphy, Loose Kings, High Skips the Beat. 16 Evan FAO. One Way Over Known, Next Kick, One Direction. Painkiller and Nate Ross with Just Give Me a Reason. CD5 is Summertime Sadness. Jam remix with London and Jan Charles. Counting Stars, One Republic, A Sky Full of Stars. Coldplay, Sesame Stay Me, Canary Jepsen, I Really Really Like You. Sorry I can't by Justin Bieber. That's up the feeling from the Trolls movie. One of the famous animated Trolls. Justin Timberlake. Set out to mix, little mix. One last time, Ariana Grande. Paradise, Jordan Bright. Emma Blythe, Shawn Mendes, Mark Ronson, and Miley Cyrus. Nothing breaks like a heart. These are good as hell. Don't start now, Dua Lipa. Take a chance the weekend. That's what I want. By Lil Nas X. But Harris, A-Tune. There we go, Ricky Hill and Nicole. Crazy what love can do. Forget Me, Lose the Party. Painted Town Red, Doja Cat, and Vampire, and the Real Where you go. 1, 2, 3. Back, 2, 3. Here we go. Hang on, guys. Here's 1, 2, 3. Back, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. One, two, three. Back. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Here we go to this. 1, 2, 3. Back. 1, 2, 3. There we go. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. 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 Back. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. One, two, three. Back. 1, 2, 3. Here's 1, 1, 2, 3. And back. 1, 2, 3. Let me know what you think of the Now 40 Years Part 2. I've got another 4 more albums coming up, so don't go anywhere. Like, comment, it's going to go to Dr. Haddock 1997 and 1997 Extra. And I'll catch you in the third video in just a second. Peace. Excuse me.